gonna just use them. So I'm gonna hold up here for a second. So these are the properties. Okay. All right, can I go to the next page? Okay. All right, Stephen, good to go. Carrie, good to go. Tom, Tiffany, Tiona. Okay, let's apply those properties to the following log expression. Okay, so think about it. I'm gonna show you this one. So I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay. So in this example, we're gonna use the properties of log to expand the following, letter A and B. So let me talk about the couple of properties to solve this question. So let me write the main thing. Do you remember if we have a log base and I have x times y, what happened? You can expand it by addition because they have the same base. And then we call this is product rule, correct? And then you can have another form, x over y. You have a fraction, you have another mean, it's dividing. You can subtract, it can be expanded by subtraction. So log base x minus log base y. We call this one is a quotient rule. So think about it. These two are very, very, very useful properties. So let's do letter A. What happened? I have a base B. I don't know what the number is, but there is a base. And then we have x times y to the second power. They're asking, we need to expand it. So according to the product or quotient rule, we might be able to expand this, logarithmic expression. So what are you guys gonna do? Since it is a multiplication, and then I can expand it by addition. So it is going to be log base, and then x plus log base y to the second, because x times y to the second, multiplication, can be expanded by addition. That's what I'm doing by using the product rule. And are you gonna stop here? Do you remember the one of the property? Let's go up a little bit. The one of the property, last one, power rule. If you have exponent, you can bring up to the front. So according to the power rule, log base x to the n, it is going to be n to the front, log base x. We call this is power rule. So therefore, I can bring this one to the front. So log base x plus 2 log base y. So this is our final answer. You can expand this log expression into this way. Okay, so this is how you are using product rule, power rule, and quotient rule. If we need, just check it out, the rules one more time. So likewise, I want to expand the second question. So this is, check it out, fraction form. So if you want to expand the fraction according to the log, you can do that by subtraction. Do you remember the quotient rule? So step by step, log base, right? And then x to the second radical y, right? That's the numerator, minus log base z to the fifth denominator. And then continue. This one, we are multiplying two different variables so that I can expand it again by addition using the product rule. So what happened? Log base x, and then second power plus log base radical y. And then you see that here, 5 I can bring to the front according to the power rule, 5 log base z. Looks okay. Let's continue. I can bring 2 to the front. 2 log base x, and I know that radical y means y to the half exponent. Are you following? Step-by-step work. Again, I can bring this one to the front. So the final is 2 log base x, 1/2 log base y, minus 5 log base z. Da-da-da. That's we expand this condensed form. Okay. So this is how you expand the log expression by using the properties, product, quotient, and power rule. So I'm gonna stop here for a second and think about it, how you feel. It's not really difficult. You're gonna keep using those properties. It helps us to expand it. Okay, so I'm gonna hold up here. We're gonna keep practicing it. So that was example 1. Okay, takes a moment. And then if you're good to go, show me your thumbs up.